What is up, guys? So, it's nighttime. That's the first time for the vlog.
So spooky.
And Jamie's here.
Hi, guys.
So, we're numbnuts. We thought the park closed at midnight. It closes in less than 2 hours.
Oh, well, what can you do?
So we're gonna run around. We're gonna head back to Falcon. Sorry. I've been explained by people who watch the videos. I should probably be a little bit more explanative of what we're going. We are going to Smuggler's Run is the actual name of it. It's the Falcon.
It is.
It's saying 20 minutes right now. A lot of people heading out, so that's always a good thing about being here this late. So, let's run. We're gonna get there. We'll get on that. Let's see, 2 hours, maybe 2 rides. I'm gonna say 2.
We can do at least 3.
You think 3?
3. Park closes at 9. It's 7:15 right now. We can do 3.
True, because we should still have Mickey's Mixed Magic projection show coming up, which will help pull people away from attractions.
Yeah, I think at least 3 if we're lucky 4.
Okay, there you go. We're gonna set it. We're gonna set the goal to 4. We'll see if we can get there.
Let's go.
Okay. Lighting back here is horrible, so I don't even know how good this footage is.
You win some, you lose some.
Does anybody else feel, and this is just me speaking, I'm gonna get hate for this, bored about Galaxy's Edge already? Like, it was cool the first month and a half, 2 months,
Yeah.
and then I mean, we were promised all the extra things that the Star Cruiser Hotel got.
But the shiny object went away.
Yeah, and the Star Cruiser Hotel didn't even really get all of that either, so
I think there's a lot of potential, and I think COVID kind of pushed that back.
I wouldn't go ahead and give it all COVID, because remember, this opened before COVID.
Yes, it did. But they were still testing the land, and it never really truly opened to the public in that time.
Okay, that's a fair judgment.
They did open to the public, but the public can get on everything and experience it all in a day.
Yeah.
That's been a recent development. They were still finishing everything up with other things. So, I think that there's still more that they can do that they haven't gotten around to.
That's fair. Okay, I'll give that fair assessment. But let me know in the comments. I think the land has gotten to a point that it's cool. I like coming back here. I like coming back here because there's a cantina, just to be honest. I like coming back here to ride the Falcon because it's better than Star Tours.
Way better.
And Rise of the Resistance is pretty good.
It's my favorite ride, honestly. I'll be honest.
There's too many scenes in it that personally, when I'm riding it, I can see where the budget was cut.
I'm not looking at that. I enjoy the experience it gives me.
No, it's a good experience. It's just,
and I've had fun scaring people on that ride. So much fun.
Well, that's fair. Okay, so as of right now, walking up to the attraction, it says 25 minutes. It is currently 7:21. So by 46, we should be on the attraction. Let's go find out.
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Yes, keep shooting.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.
So, yeah,
And you said nah.
he got a little beat up. It happens. It's all fun, all good. We were originally given the pilot spots. However, we've ridden this ride plenty of times, and the 2 guys that were with us, this was their first time, so we're like, nope, go ahead. It's more fun up in the front. Gunner, you just hold on.
Much better view.
Much better view in the front than the back. So, think we said we're gonna go to Haunted Mansion.
I want to meet the thousands to go. Do you think they'd let me join?
I don't think so.
What do you think they do if I ask? Do you think we should record that?
I mean, you can ask if you want.
What do you think? Should we?
They're probably not even gonna respond to you, to be honest. Anyways.
An application.
So we should have been on the attraction at 46. It's 8:05 now. So not quite accurate on its timing, but you know what? We got on it. We did it. It was fun. Onward we go.
We had fun. That's really what matters.
That is what matters. Let's go. Well, you know, I had something to say. I was going to say that. Oh, right. I'm caught back up with my own statement. So I think we've pretty much come to agreement that our goal and running to get 4 rides done in 2 hours has kind of really badly failed.
We might be able to get 3. I don't think so.
We can get 2.
Yes.
I don't know what the weighted Haunted is. As long as we get off Haunted and we get in a line for another attraction, we'll be fine, so long as it doesn't break down. So I think we need to reset our goals.
Haunted's 25. If that's accurate, we could then get on Pirates.
Okay, so then that's the rest of the plan. We're going to try to do a lot of running and go from Haunted as long as the side doesn't break down and we can that timing's accurate, and then get over to Pirates and then cheer on Main Street. Or the last time we did a cheer on Main Street this time, it was an emotional cheer on Main Street. So emotional cheer on Main Street.
Yeah.
You know what? We came out here, we did our walk for our mental health. I think we deserved a little treat of churro. Though, at this point, we don't have that walk back to the car.
We still need an emotional support churro.
Still need the emotional support churro.
The emotional support churro.
See, this is why Jamie and I are good friends. This is sound logic.
It is.
This is the logic
you can't
we're gonna
argue
run
with this logic. Try.
So, emotional cheer on the way out. There we go. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna make this a little bit more hectic and we're gonna go a little bit faster. We're counting out, we're looking at the clock. If we can do Winnie the Pooh, if Winnie the Pooh is truly 10 like it is right now, we should be able to get on Winnie the Pooh, get to the Haunted Mansion, and get in line before the Pirates is officially closed because of being 9 o'clock. That's the plan.
Wish us luck.
Wish us luck, because everything has to fall right in place for this to work.
That's the Disney magic.
The nice thing is we're getting closer and closer to it officially, the park being closed, which means crowds are going down.
And we aren't fighting the crowds to get anywhere.
Unfortunately, there's no way with doing Pirates we could do 5, but 4 we could maybe do. We're going to shoot for 4.
I don't know how we could hit 5 though. Unless something was 5 minutes.
5, we'd have to go ahead and it would have to be 2 in Adventureland. It would have to be 2 of the attractions in Adventureland to do it. So,
but I still don't think we could hit 5.
It would be awfully hard. It'd be an awful hard stretch. We're gonna stick with our plan for 4. We're gonna remotivate ourselves.
Let's go.
Winnie the Pooh looks quite empty right now. It is a cute attraction. It's saying 5 minutes at the attraction actually, which is even better. That helps our timing a lot more. So let's go.
Happy Wednesday!
Is very confusing, but everyone knows it is like slide.
What a wonderful dream! Wake up! Wake up!
Okay, what time are we at?
It is 8:19.
Perfect. We're perfect. Even if it's 25 minutes, we should be able to just squeeze it. We're moving just in time. So that was Winnie the Pooh. Now to Haunted Mansion. Spooky, scary skeletons? There are no skeletons.
I want to see if I can get an application. Do you think they'd give it to me?
You could ask.
Okay.
That's gonna kill a little bit more of our time.
Not if we had a dead stop then.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, onward. We're being told 25 minutes. We will see.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis.
What was that?
What time?
45.
That's gonna be close. If we can get on pretty fast, we might do it.
If this goes fast, I can make it.
We're just down a random roll of the dice at this point.
Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. By your side.
So I'm gonna assume I'm in 3. We were right there. We would have done it. We've stopped 3 times now? 4 times? 4 times on Haunted Mansion. We've had enough time to do it if we had not stopped. Gotta love the Haunted Mansion though. Hey, we're moving again. Okay, now it's time for one to follow us home. There's... There are no ghosts.
I think I'm the ghost. Because I wanted to be the ghost, remember?
That's right. There we go. Guys, we were off by seconds because the ride stopped 4 times and went to a snail's pace. I'm sure I'm going to show it in here already.
And then completely died, like, twice.
If it wasn't for that, we could have done it. We would have hit 4 rides in 2 hours. Less than 2 hours. Being one not brand new, but one newish ride, and 2 classic attractions.
And Winnie the Pooh.
And Winnie the Pooh. I mean, that was a filler just to get us our 4.
Yeah.
We were that close. But, you know what? We still had a good time.
I mean, does the tram count?
The tram does not count.
Why not?
Jamie over here is trying to stretch the rules a little bit. The tram does not count.
The tram counts. It's a ride vehicle.
Good news, and news I should have brought up on Sunday. We have nighttime shows coming back.
Yay!
We have Phantasmic coming back in March.
I don't remember.
Phantasmic coming up with the date right here, along with World of Color, and we have the Better Fireworks Show coming back. No offense to Mixed Magic, it could have been better.
Yeah.
It could have been better. I personally like actually the main theme of Mixed Magic. I just think the show overall could have been better.
I agree.
I think Magic Happens was confirmed to come back.
Oh.
We have Electrical Parade coming back.
Yay!
I like me some entertainment. One thing we didn't hear though is nothing about Magic Map.
You're right.
That's a bit concerning. I don't think that one's been officially confirmed closed, but that's...
I didn't realize, here, really quick. I didn't realize on this angle it's a red light district.
Oh.
But watch, if you go over here, it's not a red light district no more.
So we're talking, Jamie's talking about the Lantern right there. Huh. In all the many, many, many moons of me coming to the park, Jamie noticed a detail that I don't think I've ever noticed.
All of them are that way too, even this one.
How about that? Of all people, Jamie.
Did you guys know Disney had a red light district?
That's one way to word it.
What was inaccurate about my statement?
It makes me think the other night, and you guys did not get invited to this, and there are a lot of reasons why we were playing Cards Against Disney. It brings back thoughts of that. Hence why you were not invited. But it's been a great time.
If you want an invite, let us know.
Yeah, we'll have to figure out how to do that without being removed off of YouTube real fast. Anyways, if you've been around to this song, thanks for doing it.
It's time for our emotional spurt churro.
It is time for the emotional sports hero. If you had an hour, and I'm going to give it 45 minutes, that's really close to what it was.
Yeah, right.
An hour and 45 minutes, you could do 4 rides. What 4 rides would you hit at Disneyland?
If wait times were all normal.
Yeah, right. Tonight was kind of a weird set of wait times. Drop that in the comments. But it's been real.
It's been fun.
Which means it's been absolutely, truly real fun. Thank you all for hanging out with us. And until next time, bye guys.